I'm here today to talk to you about some helpful tips and tricks in regards to your Siemens medical imaging needs. I'm here today to talk to you about how to properly identify a tube for the definition family of CT systems. I've got two great examples, and we're going to go through what to look for so you can get the right tube right away. One of the first places you should be looking is the front face of the tube, where you'll find the model number, the serial number, and the revision level. This will help you identify the correct tube so we can get you the right replacement right away. With these two examples here, a key thing to look for are your connection types. Here we have the single-prong outlet with the thread-on coupler, whereas here we have your three-prong outlet with your quick disconnect coupler. These tips, plus any additional information you can provide on your definition system, will help us identify the tube you're in need of and reduce your downtime.